Good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Hugs. Hugs. Kinda, sorta. Alright guys, so the adventure begins. I am en route to rehearsals in Tampa, Florida. I'm currently in Huntsville, where I am kind of sort of from. So I am waiting in the airport because my flight that was supposed to be at 7:20 got delayed to like 10 something, y'all, and I'm running off fumes because I woke up to get here. Well, I got here at 5:30, woke up at like 4 something, 4:30, and barely got any sleep because I was up all night trying to pack and run errands on top of just like the hecticness, just had a lot going on. Between moving out of my apartment in Atlanta to coming to Huntsville to be with my family, to having an unexpected death in the family, to having to go to Maryland, to where I'm originally from and the majority of my extended family is there. And that was like a 10-hour road trip, and then had to turn around and come back to Huntsville yesterday so that I can catch my flight, guys. It was a whole lot going on. I don't know how I'm doing it right now. I think I'm just literally so excited to start this process, so excited to be about to dance again professionally. It's like, oh my goodness. And I think that's what's like keeping me going, that and my iced coffee, hazelnuts from McDonald's. Yes, I am the person that's keeping them open for business. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along this journey. I'm super excited. So yeah, we'll see. Alright y'all, so I finally landed in Tampa. I am about to go get my bags from baggage claim and meet my EPM, my entertainment performance production manager. I think it's entertainment production manager. I'm running on E. But I'm glad I got here safely, soundly, and we're gonna keep this thing moving, okay? So I went ahead and took my braids out because they wanted us to arrive show ready, which means full face and hair styled as if it was a performance. Now we're in sunny Tampa, Florida, and a typical day starts with my cast waiting at the meetup spot for our EPM to come pick us up in our nice white van, and she'll take us to our rehearsal space. The studio is only about 10 minutes away, so we usually meet about 15 minutes early and drive to the studios. And guys, it feels so good to be back. Welcome to Norwegian Creative Studios with the iconic blue wall. And they've done a lot of renovations while we were away during the shutdown. And this is our brand new break room. So it has enough refrigerators, new appliances for everyone to fix their lunch in. And I didn't have much of a breakfast this morning, so I'm going to enjoy this yogurt that I got from my favorite grocery store, Trader Joe's. And while I enjoy this, I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video and just a sneak peek of what I've been up to these past couple of weeks in preparation for relaunching a cruise ship. But first, we have to say hey to my girl Fallon, aka Peggy Lee, and now we can really get the day started. It's a video though. Yeah.
In that case.
Happy birthday!
Oh! Okay. it.